It's because they're definitely clumping together. You know, I don't know how I feel about this. This thing is dry as I don't know what. Let me see. So in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. We're not doing an unboxing. We're going to do a try on. So in my ice cream beauty box unboxing, I'll post the video down below. We got the Pure Cosmetics mascara. So this is like a 2-in-1. Okay, so it's like a lengthening mascara. You coat it a few times and then you seal it with these fibers. And it's supposed to be like really great. I am the type of gal, I am a hashtag natural lash type of girl. So I use 3 to 4 different mascaras every time I put on my makeup. So I'm like, if this works and I only need to use this puppy, it's going to be all gravy. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. We're going to try this out and see does it really work. So if that is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. All right, really quickly, let me just tell you what I have on my face, and I have some opinions. So, in the Zeesea beauty box, if you don't know what Zeesea is, it's the makeup that you might see titles like World's Most Beautiful Makeup, because the packaging is just amazing. Well, they have a subscription box. It's $40 a month. I paid for it myself, and in this month, in February, I'll leave the unboxing down below, we got a foundation. This is This is Honey and Beauty. Now, everything else is in a different language, so I can't read it. I don't know what shade it is. The only thing I can read is it expires in 2024. So it's still good. And when I thought it was a little weird getting a foundation in a subscription box because they don't ask for profile. Like Boxycharm Ipsy, you know, they kind of ask like what color skin you have, your skin tone. This don't. So I'm like, how do they know, you know, like what shade we are? So I did a little swatch. Oh, hold on. I keep forgetting it's a pump. And when I swatched it, it was a little dark for me, for my complexion. Let me just show you here. It's what it looks like. And you see it's pretty tan for me. However, this is a lightweight foundation. So when I rub it in, like I'll do now, as you can see, it goes into my skin. But even here, I can see my veins and stuff. So I knew it was going to be more like a BB cream, you know, so I wanted to try it today. Let me wipe this off because I'll get it everywhere. So how I use every foundation, I go in with the brush. I have a Zeesea Cosmetics brush, and then I go in with a beauty blender. I put 2 coats on because the first time I used it, it was like barely anything. Like it had some coverage, but you could definitely still see my redness, you know. So I did 2 coats. Again, went in with the brush. I did 2 pumps each time. So 4 pumps. That don't sound right. Anyway, get your mind out of the gutter. Now, I wanted to see like what it looked like. So then, like I said, it still wasn't a lot of coverage, okay? But it was more than, it's kind of more like a no makeup day. Like this is what you would wear if you weren't going to do eyeshadow, like the whole 9. You know what I mean? It's too light coverage for me just to go, oh my Lord. I literally knocked the earring right out of my ear. Calm the hell down, Ann. You're too excited. Then after I went in with this all-nighter from Urban Decay. This is a setting powder, and you guys can see I already hit pan. I love this, and I went in with my brush because this has a little bit more coverage because I needed something. I'm going to get close up. I used the same primer I always use, and then I went in with the Tatcha Clean Canvas, the pore filling. I use like right here because I have bigger pores. So I had this on for about an hour and a half. Let me just tell you something. If you are going to use this, you need to prep your skin because I see dry patches that I never knew I had. And we're going to get a little close because you can see all of my pores. Like, I didn't know my pores were this bad. All right. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what you can see. I look a little oily because of the ring light, okay? But if you can see here, you can see all of my pores. Like, it brings out pores you never knew you had. all around here, my forehead. I don't know what you can see, but can you see it emphasizes my wrinkles and dry spots that I never knew I had. So I don't know if I will wear this again. I'm going to try it one more time and then go in maybe with like my Fenty Beauty setting powder and maybe just some mascara. And I'm going to really set my face with the skincare, you know, and see how it is. But as far as today, I do not like this at all. It's not just the coverage. It's just the way it looks on my face, you know? So this was a no-go for me. But this I wanted to do on camera because I always tell you, I'm going to try lashes. I'm scared to death. The first time I ever tried lashes, I glued my eyes shut.
What?
So I have anxiety. So I always wear mascara. And because I'm aging, you know, I'm in my 40s, that, you know, they're not as long and as thick as they used to be. So that's why I use 3 to 4 different mascaras. I cannot find that perfect mascara. So I'm very intrigued with this. So I'm going to put my little mirror up here. Hopefully you don't see it too much, but I need to like see what I'm doing. And we're going to follow the directions and see if it really works. So you have the lash lengthening mascara. This is what you put on first. The directions say you put on 1 coat. While it's still wet, you put on a 2nd coat. Get it to how you want it. And then you seal it with these fibers. So that's what we're going to do. I don't have any mascara, primer, anything on my eyelashes. All right. This is what the mascara wand looks like. And let's try the first coat. I'm going to put the light one right here. Okay, so that's the first coat. Not too bad. I had better, I had worse, but it's not too bad. I can definitely tell like it's sticking together. You know what I mean? It's going to be like the spider. It's not going to be like a natural look. What I'm trying to do when you see me do this, because they're definitely clumping together. You know, I don't know how I feel about this. So, all right, I did the other eye. Let me go on with the 2nd coat. Okay, so it definitely has length. It does not have volume, but it's not claiming to have volume. It's saying lengthening. Let me go on with the 2nd coat real quick because I got to make sure they're still wet when I do the seal thing. What I would do, but I'm not going to do it for this video, is I would probably I usually use this paper clip, which you're not supposed to, that end, and I like get it unclumped because it's too clumpy and I need more volume. But like I said, this is just for a lengthening. So let me go in with the sealing and see if that makes a difference. This is the, what is it called again? Lash lengthening fibers. And this is by Pure Cosmetics, if I didn't tell you. And then this is what it looks like. You can definitely see the fibers. And the reason why they want you to keep it sticky, like wet, so it can, you know, cling on to it. This thing is dry as I don't know what. Let me see. It's pretty dry. I should have did one eye at a time. That's what I should have did it. But this is definitely dry. Like, I'm scared it's going to go into my eye. It's not sticking at all. I mean, look at it. The fibers are just falling. See? And I'm feeling the mascara. The mascara is still wet, so It's not that. I just think that this is really dry. Oh, I got a fiber stuck to my eye, my mascara. All right, let me get a little close, and I'm going to try to go in again with this and get it a little bit more wet and try it again. I think this is dried out, but let me just get a little bit close to you. I didn't put anything on the bottom. I'm going to try a different mascara for that, but let me try this again. I don't know. This mascara is, like, it's not dried out, the mascara part, but let's see. No, this is just taking the fiber right off that I already applied. Oh, God, look at fiber up here. All right, I'm going to do one at a time. Let's try this again. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be, but, I mean, you could just see when I take it out, it's just all clump. Look at that. I don't know. I'm scared the fiber is going to fall into my eye, but it's definitely not working. I've had fiber mascara that definitely sticks to the mascara. Far away, it looks okay. They're just clumpy. I don't know. Like, if you guys can see, it's like really clumping together. So let's try this again, because look, see? It's just the fibers just come right out. That's the best what I can do. What I notice what it's doing with the fiber, it's definitely sticking to the ends to appear longer. And that's what it does say, it's a lengthening. What I think I would do, I'm not going to put it on, I'm going to try a different mascara and put on the bottom. What I think I would do next time is go in with a different mascara and then maybe this in the fibers. I don't know, but it definitely doesn't have the volume. Again, it's not claiming to be volume, but for me, I need more, but it clumps too much together. So let me try to fix this and put mascara on the bottom, a different mascara, and we will come back. Hold the phone. All right, so here are my thoughts. I went in with my Tribe and True. I love this Thrive mascara. This is also like a fiber mascara, but it doesn't just have fibers. It's also mascara. But I like this wand for my bottom lashes. I like it a lot. Here's my thing. It definitely lengthens. If you guys can see, it lengthens my lashes, but it clumps, and you can actually see the fibers close up on the top of my eyelashes. So I think if I had mascara, went in and had it where it makes them thicker, you know, more volume, and then went in, or maybe try mascara and then the fibers. I don't know. I'm going to try it different ways because, like I said, it does make it appear a little bit longer. However, let me get close to this again. It's just too, I don't know. I don't like the fact you can see these balls on my eyelashes. It's like I want to take it off, you know, and then it clumps it together. The mascara clumps it together. I don't like the mascara either. I don't like the way the mascara or the fiber. So I'm going to try different ways and then go from there. So I will definitely keep you guys updated. However, like right now, it's a no-go. No. And this retail value is at $30. Like I said, the mascara sticks it together, makes it look like spiders. So because it's so sticky, because I guess for the fibers to stick on, but I don't know if this is dried out or that's how it's supposed to be. You have to be very careful because I would be scared that the fibers will go into your eyes because my eyes are starting to sting just a little bit. It's bearable, but do you know what I mean? That's what I would be scared of. I'd rather just stick to my mascara, like tubing mascara. I guess it's called, not fibers. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this mascara before? Have you not? Do you get Ice Cream Beauty Box? And if you did you try it? Let me know down below. Am I doing it wrong? Give me some pointers down below. And that's everything. Also, let me know what you think. All right, guys. Let me know what you think of these type of videos. Something different than unboxings. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God. I mean, it's not terrible from far away, but I don't like having balls on my eyelashes. No, that's not where balls go. Not on the eyes.